Hey guys, welcome back to another PBQ video, and let's get right into it. So let's tackle this phishing email PBQ together. So if we can go ahead and read the instructions, it says, review the emails, click an email's text to read it. Use the checkbox to select suspicious emails, and when finished, click the report button. So you'll see 4 mails in the inbox, and our job is to read each one. Alright, quick look through, and we can see 4 emails in this inbox. Our job is to read each one, decide what is suspicious, check the box for the bad ones, and then hit report. Alright, so the first email is payroll. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, the subject looks normal. From finance department at payroll@comptia.com. The tone is calm, link goes to the internal portal. Okay, so nothing is pushy or weird. But just to double check, let's go ahead and look at this from address. Looks legit to me. This URL also looks pretty legit to me, but a good rule of thumb is to hover over it and see what the URL actually points to. Right now, this is not a legit hyperlink, doesn't point to anything, so we're good. Alright, let's go to the second email. Microsoft support with 2 O's. Yeah, that's sketchy. Alright, so let's look at the from line. The display name says Microsoft, but the actual address is security.alert@micros0oftsupport.net. And that's a swap 0 and a sketchy domain. Alright, it's also asking me to click verify identity. That's a little sketchy, especially with the tone of this email. And again, like I said, rule of thumb, let's hover over this link. Alright, you see that? The text says account.microsoft.com, but the real link is a bit.ly, which is a URL shortener. So because it's mismatched, that's definitely a red flag. Alright, so this email has a really sketchy from address, a URL shortener, and very urgent wording. So I'm going to go ahead and report this one. Alright, let's go to our third email, IT help desk maintenance reminder. The from address is helpdesk@comptia.com. Okay, this seems legit. It's just a reminder. Alright, no action required. There's no links. So this is just a standard email, probably just IT housekeeping. So I'm not going to report this email. It seems legit. Let's go to the next one. Right, fourth email, Amazon.com, problem with your order. And we have our order number over here. So the from says orders at Amazon -prime-shipping.com. That's kind of weird. It's not Amazon.com, so that's definitely a fake domain. Anyways, let's go ahead and read the rest of the email. Unable to process payment. Update your payment information. There you go. That's sketchy. It's asking for our information right off the bat. And it wants us to update our information now. Again, urgent wording. Again, good rule of thumb, hover over the URL. And what do we see? It says Amazon.com, but let's see where that actually redirects to. Boom, there you go. So the real destination is an IP address on a private range. So that's not Amazon. That's a huge red flag. So go ahead and report this email as well. Alright, so a quick recap. We reported the fake Microsoft and the fake Amazon, and we want to keep these alone. Again, CompTIA loves to do this. If you tamper with this in any way, even though you're able to do so, you're going to get points taken off. Should only select things that you need to report as per the instructions. Alright, let's go ahead and submit. Boom, pass. Alright, so in summary, we use the clues like weird sender domains or from addresses, lookalike characters, pushy language, and hovering to reveal the real URL. So all you got to do is slow down, read the from address, hover every link, and report what's truly suspicious and leave the legitimate ones alone. And that's how you'll pass phishing PBQs like this one. Alright, thank you guys for watching.